Hey everyone, the Aoostar Maco represents another strong entry in the growing market of compact mini PCs designed for enthusiasts and professionals who want desktop-class performance in a small form factor. Originally launched in China a few months ago, the device is now available for international purchase, offering users a chance to experience Aoostar's latest compact system. However, buyers should be aware that importing directly may come with long delivery times and limited warranty support outside China. At its core, the Aoostar Maco is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7H255, a powerful APU featuring 8 Zen-based cores and 16 threads thanks to simultaneous multi-threading. This configuration allows it to handle both demanding multitasking workloads and more intensive applications such as light content creation, media editing, and virtualized environments. The integrated GPU, though not specified in great detail, benefits from AMD's efficient architecture, making the Maco capable of casual gaming and smooth 4K media playback. The device is available in 2 configurations, one with 32 gigs of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD priced around $625. For a device of its size, the expandability and configuration options are impressive, giving users flexibility to choose the right balance of price and performance. In terms of connectivity, the Maco provides a generous selection of ports that make it highly versatile for both home and professional setups. It includes 2 Ethernet ports, each capable of 2.5 gigabits per second transfer speeds, a standout feature for users who plan to use the device as a small server or network-attached storage solution. These high-speed LAN connections are complemented by modern wireless options such as Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and stable connections for peripherals and internet access. For video output, Aoostar has equipped the Maco with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, supporting multiple monitors with high refresh rates and resolutions. Additionally, the inclusion of 2 USB 4 ports allows not only high-speed data transfers, but also the ability to output video signals, enhancing flexibility for users running dual or triple display setups. Other ports include 2 USB 3.2 Type-A connectors for general-purpose devices and a single USB 2.0 port suited for keyboards, mice, or legacy accessories. The system draws power through a standard circular plug, maintaining a simple and practical setup. Despite its compact size, measuring just 130 by 150 by 55 millimeters, the Aoostar Maco manages to deliver solid thermal and power efficiency. It's designed to operate quietly, which is ideal for office or media center environments. However, certain limitations are inevitable due to the platform. Users won't find aux Link or Thunderbolt 5 support, which could limit future expandability for those wanting external GPUs or ultra-fast external drives. Overall, the Aoostar Maco stands out as a capable and thoughtfully designed mini PC that balances power, connectivity, and compactness. It's particularly appealing for users who need a high-performance small system for office work, streaming, or lightweight server use. While importing it may pose logistical challenges, including longer wait times and limited support, the value proposition, especially considering the AMD Ryzen 7 H255 and dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, makes it a compelling choice in its class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.